the issues and problems and adversity that we cite kids dealing with is context versus excuses. That's where it begins and ends. It doesn't make it any less frustrating. It doesn't make it any less challenging. You still gonna hit the wall at times and not know what to do next. You still gonna walk into the staff lounge with the pockets pulled inside out like, I've tried everything to reach David. I don't know what to do. But in a healthy culture focused on social justice, when Kelly walks in and says, I've tried everything with Dave. I've tried everything trying to reach this kid and I can't reach him. In a healthy culture, in a culture focused on social justice, that's a call for someone else in the room to give her something, who's got a tool, who knows someone. In an unhealthy culture where we're dealing with excuses, when I come in and talk about David Thornley, and I can't, you had the brother, so you know what he's like, right? And I've tried everything. In an unhealthy culture, what that means is, and if one of y'all come up with a suggestion, I'm gonna wear you out because you're trying to say I'm a bad teacher. And so I'm telling you, it's about focusing on ensuring learning. And one of the ways we can get away from death by sweet and low is we gotta rein in these labels. We gotta rein them in.